Let's design a simple Christmas-themed artwork from scratch. Perfect for sublimation projects onto sweaters, t-shirts, pillows, or anything you like. In this case, I started with the Printful Hoodie preset and then added some text, changing the color to red and choosing a cool, modern, blocky font. Then I searched for Christmas trees in the graphics panel. To add some variation, I used a few different graphics for a bit of interest and detail. I then selected everything and holding the Option key on a Mac or the Alt key on a PC, I duplicated the design to start creating a pattern to emulate the classic Christmas sweater look. Lastly, I searched for Snowflake in the Graphics tab to add a final border by shrinking it down and duplicating it across the design by also holding down the Alt or Option keys. Don't forget to save it as a PNG and select the Remove Background option. Getting started is free, but if you have an all-access subscription to Creative Fabrica, you have access to all of Studio's premium features too. Make sure to like and follow for more quick tips.